Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Stephen Grant, and if you're a man over 50, I'm so glad you're here today. Have you ever noticed how some mornings your body feels alive, powerful, and ready, while other days, even when your mind wants to perform, your body just doesn't cooperate? You're not imagining it. For many men after 50, that difference often comes down to something surprisingly simple. What's on your plate? Fruits, for example, can be your greatest ally for blood flow and erection strength, or quietly work against you, draining your energy and confidence without you realizing it. Today, I'm going to share 3 fruits that supercharge your performance after 50, and 3 that can actually sabotage it if you eat them the wrong way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits to reach for when you want strength and confidence, and which ones to keep off your plate if you want to protect your testosterone and energy. Let's start with one of the most powerful, watermelon. At first glance, it might seem like nothing more than a refreshing summer snack, but inside that sweet, juicy fruit is something extraordinary. Watermelon contains a natural amino acid called citrulline. Inside your body, citrulline is converted into another amino acid called arginine, which increases nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is the key chemical messenger your body relies on to relax and open blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow exactly where you need it most. Without it, firm erections simply wouldn't be possible. That's why some researchers call watermelon nature's Viagra. And it's not just a catchy nickname. The science backs it up. Eating watermelon regularly helps blood vessels function more smoothly, improves pelvic blood flow, and supports the body's natural response to arousal. Even better, watermelon is hydrating, low in calories, and packed with antioxidants like lycopene, which also supports prostate health. Just a few slices in the evening can gently prepare your body for better circulation by morning. Whether you enjoy it fresh, blended into juice, or mixed into a fruit salad, watermelon is far more than a treat. It's a natural ally for your energy, stamina, and performance. The second fruit that supports stronger erections is blueberries. These small berries are far more powerful than their size suggests. Blueberries are loaded with flavonoids, plant compounds that act like a repair crew for your blood vessels. Over time, blood vessels can become stiff, narrow, or slightly damaged from oxidative stress and poor diet. Flavonoids help restore flexibility and strength to those delicate vessel walls, allowing blood to flow more freely and efficiently. When circulation improves, erections naturally become stronger and more dependable. But that's not all. Blueberries also help lower blood pressure, which is one of the hidden enemies of sexual health. High blood pressure keeps arteries tense and narrow, making it harder for blood to reach the penis. Blueberries help those arteries relax, bringing blood pressure down to healthier levels. They also fight inflammation, another silent disruptor of sexual performance. Chronic inflammation weakens the very systems your body depends on for stamina and firmness. Men who eat berries regularly, whether blueberries, strawberries, or blackberries, often notice more energy, better circulation, and more reliable performance. And the best part is how easy they are to add to your daily meals. A handful mixed into your morning cereal, sprinkled over yogurt, blended into a smoothie, or eaten by itself as a snack, any option works beautifully. Just a few servings a week can noticeably improve stamina and vitality. For something so small, blueberries deliver an impressive amount of strength. The third fruit that enhances male performance is pomegranate. This ruby red fruit has been celebrated for centuries as a symbol of life and fertility, and science now explains why. Pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which are among the strongest defenders of cardiovascular health. These compounds help increase nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing and widening blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the entire body, including to the penis. Without sufficient nitric oxide, Even a healthy man can struggle to achieve firmness, which makes pomegranate particularly important for men over 50. But its benefits extend even further. Drinking pure pomegranate juice regularly supports blood vessel flexibility, circulation consistency, and stronger erectile performance. This happens because pomegranate also helps reduce oxidative stress, the gradual damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress quietly interferes with testosterone production, weakening the Leydig cells in the testes that are responsible for this crucial hormone. By lowering oxidative stress, pomegranate helps protect testosterone balance, which fuels energy, confidence, and libido. Another great thing about pomegranate is how easy it is to enjoy. You can eat the seeds straight from the fruit, mix them into salads, sprinkle them on yogurt, or drink a small glass of pure juice. What matters most is consistency. Making pomegranate a regular part of your weekly routine keeps blood flowing freely and protects the delicate systems responsible for sexual health. Like watermelon and blueberries, it's not an instant solution, but a steady investment in long-term strength and performance. Now, let's talk about fruits that can work against you if you're not careful. The first is grapes. Grapes, especially in large portions, are very high in natural sugar. This sugar spikes insulin, which over time harms blood vessels and suppresses testosterone. Grapes also contain phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen, shifting your hormonal balance in the wrong direction. A few grapes are fine, but eating them daily can gradually erode testosterone levels and weaken erections. The second fruit to approach with caution is the banana. Bananas are often seen as a healthy choice, and they do provide potassium for heart support. However, they're also heavy in sugar and can cause quick insulin surges when eaten frequently. High insulin is one of the fastest ways to reduce testosterone, leading to softer and less dependable erections. Enjoying bananas occasionally is fine, but making them a daily habit, especially in smoothies, can slowly disrupt hormonal balance. The third fruit that can hinder erectile strength is the orange. While oranges provide vitamin C, which helps nitric oxide function, the problem is their high sugar load when consumed excessively. Orange juice, in particular, delivers a huge sugar rush without fiber to buffer it, leading to inflammation, vessel damage, and eventually lower testosterone. Moderation is the key. Whole oranges now and then are beneficial, but daily juice or frequent servings can backfire. To bring this together, if you're a man over 50 looking to protect your vitality, focus on watermelon, blueberries, and pomegranate. These fruits boost nitric oxide, maintain vessel health, and support testosterone production. At the same time, limit grapes, bananas, and oranges, which can raise insulin, lower testosterone, and restrict circulation when overused. The difference between thriving and struggling can truly come down to the choices on your plate. Remember this: age doesn't mean losing your vitality. Your body still has the potential for strong energy, stamina, and confidence. It simply needs the right support. Food can either work with your hormones or against them, and when you choose wisely, your body responds with lasting power and self-assurance. I'm Dr. Stephen Grant. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more clear science-based insights on men's health, prostate care, and natural vitality after 50. Take good care of yourself. Your strongest years can still be ahead.